say, why am I doing this? Make sure I don't get it too high. I don't know if it's possible to get it too high. But one time I got it too high and it didn't look right. So here we go again. Make sure it's tight. I learned a lot of this information or these techniques from YouTube and asking questions and learning from other people. I'm making this DVD for family and friends, and you can do it yourself too. You can save hundreds of dollars. Stay away from Firestone if you can. The labor is very expensive. When I'm done, I'm gonna take it to Firestone. I have a lifetime alignment, and alignment. Let them put an alignment on it. Okay, let me get another part here. We're gonna pour. Sun's coming out. Should get better video now. Okay, we're gonna loosen it up and see what we look like. My name is Elbert Wilhite. I am 53 years old today. Today is March 3rd. March 22nd, 2013. Okay. I believe that looks good, but I'm not. Let me see if I can get my clip on. That ain't right. Something wrong, y'all. Oh, it went on. Look at that. You see? On live camera, it went on. Now from there, I'm going to find my boot. Here's my grease boot that goes back under the bottom. Again, the reason I took this off because it would get destroyed if you keep it on while you're trying to install the ball joint. I learned my lesson before. So the boot goes back under the bottom. Now, move it. Get a bigger screwdriver. Okay, and uninstall these pins. They go over the top of the lower ball joint. Let's see if I remember how to use it. I'd rather not have. I'd rather have the one that goes sideways. So we're going to put that one in. Just screw it in. Well, maybe not. I better stick with the straight one. I think I'll stick with the straight one. Put that back in the package. We'll stick with the straight one. Let me find a socket set that's going to tighten that down, and we'll get right back with you. Okay, I found a 7.5 millimeter socket. Gonna set up there and tighten it down. Make sure it's going Right direction is to turn it